Screw gauge or micrometer screw gauge. A screw gauge is a precision instrument. Screw word is used as it is based on the principle of screw, while gauge means an instrument. It is used in measuring the diameter of circular objects, mostly wires, with an accuracy of 0.001 centimeter. A screw gauge has the following parts: stud, hub, linear scale, circular scale, ratchet. Now let's see in detail. Screw gauge consists of a U-shaped metal frame. At one end of it is fixed a small metal piece of gunmetal. It is called stud and it has a plain face. The other end carries a cylindrical hub. The hub extends few millimeter beyond the end of the frame. On the tabular hub, along its axis is drawn a line known as reference line. On the reference line, graduations are in millimeter and half millimeter depending upon the pitch of the screw. This scale is called linear scale or pitch scale. A nut is threaded through the hub and the frame. Though the nut moves a screw made of gunmetal, the front face of the screw facing the plane face is also plane. A hollow cylindrical cap is capable of rotating over the hub when the screw is rotated. It is attached to the right-hand end of the screw. As the cap is rotated, the screw either moves in or out. The beveled surface of the cap is divided into 50 or 100 equal parts. It is called the circular scale or head scale. Right-hand end is milled for proper grip. In most of the instruments, the milled head is not fixed to the screw head, but a spring and ratchet arrangement turns it such that when the body is just held between faces, the spring yields and milled head turns without moving in the screw. In an accurately adjusted instrument, when the faces are just touching each other, the zero marks of circular scale and pitch scale exactly coincide.